Are your days filled with chaos and distraction? Right? You're overwhelmed? I'm sure they are. It's understandable. Everybody is experiencing it. But yet, you have to get up in the morning, go to work, open your salon up, and you need to be a leader and an effective business owner. And I want to help you with that. I'm going to give you something simple but very powerful that will allow you to be organized, have your priorities correct on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis, and work it out in peace and calm and tranquility. Hang with me, I'm going to show you. Hello tribe, I'm Ahlquist. Welcome to this episode. I want to help you break up all the distraction and overwhelm. I want you to get to the task of running your business, and every day you have many things that you have to accomplish and do. And those tasks need to be prioritized. I know you've probably heard a lot of people talk about how you got to have your priorities right. Okay, great. Let's get down to how to do it. I'm a how-to guy, all right? So that's how I want to help you. Are you ready? Here you go. I learned this many years ago. I've run corporations. I've had a 40-year career as a salon cash flow expert. I'm now a salon strategist, and I want to help you. And I can help you by what I learned, which was originally called the Eisenhower Matrix. Now, President Eisenhower was a general of the Army, one of the top guys. He had between 10 and 15,000 troops under him. Imagine the size of that organization if that was a corporation. Huge. Imagine the amount of tasks he had to accomplish every single day. Well, this is what he did, and I learned it when I heard about this. I used it, and man, it was like a miracle. And I want to call it today the Thirsty Warrior Priority Matrix. Here's how it works. List your tasks you need to accomplish for the day, for the week, for the month, whatever time period that you're doing. Let's start with your day. Just simply write free flow real quick off the top of your head. What do I have to get done today? What are the tasks I need to accomplish? That's simple. Then you take each and every one real simple, you go through them, and you simply do this. Are they important? I'm just going to abbreviate import. Are they urgent? All right? It's either yes or no. Yes or no. Is this task important? Yes or no? Is it urgent? Yes or no? And now you're going to apply the Thirsty Warrior Priority Matrix to it. You can memorize this very easily. Just jot it on a piece of paper, make a crosshatch like this. And right here, you're going to write urgent. Here, not urgent. Not urgent. Here, you've got important and not important. That's simple. You look at your tasks, you already have yes or no, whether it's important, or yes or no, whether it's urgent. If one of your tasks is urgent and important, here's what you do. Your action is you do it, and the time frame now. That's what today, you've got to do it now, today. If it's not urgent, but it is important, then you're going to, the action is you're going to schedule this task, and you're going to schedule it for later. That could be tomorrow, next week. You schedule it for later. So now for each of them, you have an action and a time frame. So now you have two. You've got two actions. You're scheduling later, and for this task, you're doing it now. Now, over here, you've got not important. Okay, not important. So you have a task. It's urgent, but it's not important. You want to get it done. It's urgent. Got to get this done, but it's not that important. So you delegate it. There's your action. Delegate and do it now. Go right to work. Pull someone aside that you feel is the best person for that. Delegate that to them. This is what I want you to do. I want you to have it done by tomorrow or Friday, whatever the time frame is, because it's not important, but it is reasonably urgent. If you have a task that's not urgent and not important, don't do anything. Don't do it. Bag it. Kill it. Drop it. Let it go. Forget it. It's not important. How much of the junk do you got on your task list that is not urgent and it's not important, but you think you got to do it? This stuff, clean out the junk. I always say, when in doubt, throw it out. All right? So this is the Thirsty Warrior Priority Matrix. Simply do it each and every morning. It takes you all of 15 to 20 minutes. It's going to bring peace to your life, get rid of the distraction, confusion, and you are going to be a happy camper, an in-control leader, and a very effective execution owner. You're going to execute and grow. If you like this and found value, would you hit the thumbs up and like this? Love to join the tribe, just subscribe. And if you have any comments, please leave them below, or any questions. I answer every comment. Bless you.